Tapos ito yung stickers. Ang laki nga. I was expecting it to be smaller, but malaki siya. Ang cute. Oh my gosh, hindi ko alam kung ididikit ko to. Nanghihinayang ako. Sana pala marami yung binili ko. Kasi syempre, first time ko mag-order sa kanila, so I wanted to try kung okay ba nga yung merch nila. And these are good. I hope they're waterproof. I forgot to ask. But, eto na yung keychains. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Tinan nyo. Tapos baliktaran yan, guys. Oh, baliktaran siya. So, kahit umikot-ikot, ganun pa rin yung makikita nyo. Tapos, ang ganda nung kanilang packaging. Very secured. Hindi siya yung umaalog-alog basta-basta kasi para siyang vacuum sealed. Ganyan. Ilabas natin para makita natin on both sides. I'm so happy. Ay, ang social. Tapos, Ziploc pa pala to. Hindi siya basta-basta plastic lang. Ayan o. Ziploc siya so you can reuse the bag for whatever purposes. Suggestion lang to new moods. Nasasayangan ako dito sa Ziploc kasi sinestaple nila to dito. So, syempre, tatanggalin natin. Nabubutas yung plastic. I suggest, like, mag-sticker na lang kayo here ng ganito. Gawin nyo na lang siyang sticker, tapos idikit nyo dito para hindi nabubutas yung Ziploc. Kasi it defeats the purpose kung Ziploc siya tapos may butas, diba? So, hindi na siya magiging usable as Ziploc. Yun lang naman. Sayang eh. Or you can like use like a regular plastic if you want. Kung isa-staple nyo talaga. Okay, ito na. Open na natin siya. I'm so excited. Ang tagal ko itong inintay. 2 buwan halos. Tada! So may protective film pa yan, hindi ko pa tinatanggal. Pero oh my gosh, they're so cute! Imagine nyo nasa bag nyo yan, no? Silang dalawa together, take coke. Tapos may stickers pa, they're so cute. Marami tong guys, maraming variations. I think 2 or 3 variations. Kayo mamimili kung anong gusto nyong style ng Jungkook or ng Taehyung. Or kung gusto nyong complete way yung buong OT7, okay lang din. I'm not sure if they're launching this collection again, but I'm so happy I got my hands on these. If ever mag-launch sila, bibili ako ulit and magpapag-giveaway tayo dito. Siguro ito, giveaway, tapos yung photo cards and your stickers para ma-happy din kayo kasi na-happy ako. Maraming salamat, New Moods. This is not a sponsored post. Binili ko to and let's support them because if I'm not mistaken, they're still students. So I want them to be successful in what they're doing and these are so cute. Thank you so much. I'm so happy!